Alright, so do you wanna do the piano guy again?
Yo, let's do caramel ribbon or whatever it's called.
Caramel ribbon? What even is that?
I'm sorry. Do you know what caramel ribbon is?
You want the red quite?
No, which one is it?
Oh,
no, I got it. It's a blonde girl sitting on the pie.
Do it at 5 times, because it's gonna be otherwise.
Alright, here. That's not on Discord. It's a girl sitting on the pie.
Yeah. It's actually a good song, though. Have you even heard it yet? Or?
No, I haven't played it yet.
Alright, well, you can hear it at like 3.5 speed.
Here, look at Discord. I already sent the screenshot there.
That one? Alright,
Alright, we're doing Mega or Hyper?
We're doing Hyper.
yeah.
Hyper is kind of a shit.
Alright, Hyper. Alright. Let's go.
28,
I'm
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22.
Nick, why are you so fucking so
What do you have normal on, Nick? You loser. XC.
Alright, you gotta keep in mind, I'm probably like fucking like several times younger than you. I still have a lot to, I still have a lot of age to improve, so.
Dude, I suck at this, so.
This one's a bit of a chiller.
Okay, why do I suck at this now? Like, I'm not usually this bad.
It looks simple, but it gets a bit complex.
My mom's really calling me should I answer?
No. You should be playing Roblox, B.
Yeah.
Fuck you mean, B?
Just totally don't like that. I don't want to smoke things.
Wow, look how easy the song is. Let's see. You know, let's play Robies after, honestly.
Ew, Roby.
I'm like really terrible beats. I have a hat, and you know what it does?
What?
I upgraded it. It does like I think maybe something plus light speed. Of me. Also, I'm doing the slide now.
Wow. See what's
Right now.
Nick, I thought you were better than us, like,
What? Single?
us.
Well, like, that sliding thing messed me up a lot. It's like,
Again?
I'm still like getting.
Oh my god, I was 66. Oh my god, you're on 66666.
I got 9.
Nick!
Oh.
Nick, what's your fucking score? What the
Perfect 6. Perfect 6. Let's go.
Damn.
I'm disappointed in Nick.
I'm going to take a picture of that. No.
But
It messed up and it gave me an extra point. Now it says 666. Hold on. 66666 and then 7.
No, he just had perfect sixes.
But still though, hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of just the 6s alone.
I want to do the piano guy again.
Alright.
oh, you gonna
Damn
do
it.
the piano guy?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see the
The
piano.
Vercolo.
Oh, the piano one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
Orchestra 1, thank you very much.
And then we'll go to the beats
Yeah.
after that.
That is so
Fine.
perfect.
I really
honestly.
hate Row Beats though, honestly.
Wow.
Row Beats is like such a broken game.
Alright, I'm
I know it's a
going.
broken game, but like,
Hit registration is shit on it. At least this game, it's like responsive.
Yeah.
And even here, the fucking little buttons are smaller that you have to hit, and it's somewhat easier.
I mean, I don't mind that, Link.
you want
Alright, let's go.
And then Rhythm Track is out here
Alright.
being like ooga booga custom tracks that
Alright, Mom.
most of the
Alright.
audio libraries don't even fucking work. So
Mom, I want to stick with it.
Alright,
Rhythm
ready?
Track is okay then.
Hey, yep.
Hey, got you guys.
Alright.
Yeah, I know as soon as.
Yeah, let's
I
go.
want you to shut down now. busy playing Roblox.
Yeah, too.
Alright, here we go.
I'm at 80%. Come on. 100%. Come on, at least 100.
There's still another part. Guys, don't slow down yet.
I thought it was me.
You hear Nick going crazy in the fucking background. Listen to him go.
Yeah.
Does he have to try that hard to get a 5-0 score on this?
It was like exactly that part, like
Like, what's the highest combo you got?
I don't know.
100%?
81.
You got 100%, eh?
There you go.
Shut up.
Shut
Well, you,
up.
Nick?
Shut up.
What'd you get, Nick?
What do you get?
God damn it, Skeptical, you're such a tryhard.
Shut up.
But I beat you.
What do you default?
You default
Dude,
skin
guess what?
dab.
Guess what? I got 625 criticals and 25 errors. Beat that.
Oh, I got 48. Oof, but that's
I got
because it's section with the
560.
whole keys, so.
Thank God. Alright.
Alright, now row beats.
Do you want to try row beats?
Yeah. I left.
Actually, I gotta. Oh, I was shut down! God, alright, I was shut down! Alright, I gotta shut down. See you guys.
Alright,
Do you
so.
want to play any other songs?